This is when you blame the gloves that have failed to protect your hands. You can expect such quality from cheap brands. Thankfully, I've gathered some leading products that have been favored by experienced grillers for some time now. Number 1. Gorilla Grip Silicone Oven Mitts Set.
Premium oven mitts. Featuring silicone on the outside and padded lining on the inside, they offer protection while you cook. The slip-resistant and flexible material help you get a better grip. Available in a set of 2, these extra-long mitts will help keep your arms protected. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just rinse with soap and warm water after each use. Each mitt includes a loop for easy hanging.
Number 2. Grill Armor Oven Gloves. The name says it all. These gloves work like armors that protect your hands when you're busy grilling and maintaining grates. They are the perfect example of extreme heat-resisting gloves. To be honest, I'm this close to getting myself a pair too. You can use them for outdoor grilling, fire pits, campsite, baking, or even oven mitts like a pro. What about the hot pizza stones, cast iron pot and Dutch oven handles? Well, they are a piece of cake to handle as well. Simply put on the armor gloves and grab these items as you like. Number 3. Grill Heat Aid Grill or BBQ Gloves. These grill gloves have that classic vibe we always see in the movies. You don't just use them to prepare a barbecue grill but also for other heavy-duty tasks involving heat. Of course, this doesn't mean they are invincible to fire. For instance, you can hold a piping hot cast iron while wearing these gloves, but can you continue to keep them for more than 60 seconds? Unlike silicone-based gloves, this pair tends to have carryover heat for a more extended period. Thus, despite having silicone stripes in the outer layer, the holding time isn't that long. Number 4. Geek Home Silicone Grilling Mitts. Geek Home is one of the topmost kitchen brands that deliver functional items with fashionable flair. My expectation is always soaring in the sky for their heat-proof gloves. While this one is a medium-sized barbecue glove pair, there are 2 more sizes you can choose from. But the fun part is the color variation. You can have 12 options to contemplate. Now, what has nominated it to this list? The gloves have an eco-friendly and non-toxic silicone outer layer. The heart-shaped textured design adds an attractive but firm gripping feature to the overall product.
This is why I bought the 16-inch long version, and I never felt any heat or singeing on my hands or arms. I was very impressed with these gloves. I'm going to give these gloves 5 stars. Had dexterity, kept the heat off my forearms and my hands, easy to use, and plus really damn good looking. Definite recommend.